Hello, this is Ed Burke with PlaceForTraders.com for Thursday, July 23rd. Starting off in the September Mini S&P. In my last video, I talked about the pivot level for Wednesday of 950.25. Above 950.25 in the September Mini S&P was considered bullish for Wednesday. Below 950.25 was considered bearish. I had the first line of support down at 943.75. I had the first line of resistance up at 960.50. Now, these are 15-minute bars. This is where the regular trading session opened. You can see that the market opened just above that first level of support at 943.75. A little more than an hour before the regular trading session, the market made its low at 943.5. That's one tick below that first level of support. You can see that after the regular trading session opened, you can see the market rallied above the pivot level. And then we kind of just traded sideways where the market we've traded on both sides of the pivot level. Later on, I did send messages out. I believe that we're going to see a little correction on Wednesday, that the market would sell off. I did send messages out that we're at the pivot level. I thought the market was going to break down. Bad timing. The market rallied off of that level. It went to the high of 950. The high of the day was 956.75. Actually, there's a double top there, 956.75. Now, in the afternoon, then the market did come off those levels and actually settle under the pivot level. The market settled down here at 949.5. But actually, regardless, I was still looking for a bigger sell-off than that. But in the last hour, we did see the sell-off with the Dow and the S&P going negative for the day. For Thursday, I'm looking at the pivot level 950.75. Market settled at 949.5. Needs to stay above 950.75 for a bullish market in the September Mini S&P. Below 950.75 is considered bearish. I'm looking at the first level of resistance, 957.25. The second level of resistance up at 963.75. For support, first level of support down at 943.25. Second level of support down at 937.5. Some numbers that come out, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time, you have initial jobless claims. The expectation is for 540,000. Then at 10 o'clock a.m. Eastern Time, you have existing home sales. The expectation is for 4.85 million units. That's all I have for this evening. Thanks for tuning in. If you haven't gone to my website as of yet, it's PlaceForTraders.com. You can go on there and sign up for the free alerts. Also, if you haven't visited my website recently, I have some new additions on there. You can sign up for free $50,000 future simulated accounts. Also, it's the same software you can use to open up live accounts with PFG. Thanks a lot and good trading.